So we were just doing a swiftwater rescue course. There's a dog on the water. First thing we want to do is look at our upstream and downstream situations. Downstream safe. Me and he both pointed out it's super shallow, so we're going to wade across, right? Then we want to get the dog back onto this side of the shore. So what I would say is
take a PFD with you.
Yep.
Let's take an extra PFD. We'll put it on the dog.
Walk back upstream
and literally just hold him, and we'll pull you across.
Okay.
Cool.
I agree. Oh, do you have a meat stick?
Yeah.
I desperately need a meat stick right now.
You have a meat stick? We got peanut butter too, whichever one.
Yeah, dude. I'm gonna take my throw bag.
I'm gonna look for a shallow spot up top. Yeah. It's pretty strong right here, boys.
Don't let it. Okay, I'm gonna get behind you, Hig.
Okay.
Tim, get right behind Higgy. Okay. All right, we're gonna move a step at a time over across, supporting Higgy. He's making an eddy for us. Okay. You ready, Higgy?
Yeah, buddy.
We're taking your lead on this one.
One step to the left now.
Okay. Excellent.
One step to the left now. Let's get on the rock. Tim, you got the rock?
Yeah, I got the rock.
All right, let's get up. Good job, guys. I think our best thing is to swim from here.
Okay.
Don't you?
Yeah.
Good boy. That's a good boy. So we're gonna hook him up. Ian's gonna hold him, and then we're gonna pull Ian to them. Okay? I'm gonna throw this to you.
I'm gonna see if I can pick him up and just walk him back to you.
He's a good boy. Oh yeah, he's cool. He's straight. Good boy.
Good boy.
Good boy. Give him a little pet. Good boy.
Let's get into the shore. Yeah. Let's see if he freaks out if he gets wet.
Okay.
Not too bad.
Yeah.
Here, let me hook you. I'm gonna hook you up. All right. You good with that?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna lock you in. You just want to anchor, Nikki?
Still good? Don't freak out.
It's okay, buddy. Hey,
okay, bud.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay, bud.
Good boy.
It's okay, buddy.
I'm gonna throw this to you.
Alright, hang on, Nathan.
1 second.
You got a good footing? Ready?
Ready?
Start reeling, start reeling, start reeling. I got you, I got you. Keep pulling, keep pulling.
Will you back up and let me use your weight?
Yep. Nice, nice, nice. You good?
Yep.
Oh. Got you, I got you still. I got you, I got you.
Thank you.
Good job, Nikki.
Woo!
All right.
Woo!
Nikki.
That was awesome. Good job.
Great shot, buddy. Nothing better than saving the day. That could not have been
Best
cool.
day ever?
Right.
It's not like an immediate chance to put stuff to use, right?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you so much for coming and finding her.
No doubt.
Not trying to go out
I think it's a God thing if you're here.
No doubt.
So we're going to work
Thanks,
our way
guys.
down.
Good job.
Yeah, thank y'all.
Hold on. Guys, fantastic.
See y'all.
All the best.
Thank you. Y'all too.
Good job, everybody.
Yeah, man. Very nice.
Great stuff.
We are
Good job.
Whitewater, Swiftwater
The
Rescue.
highest of fives.
I had downstream safety.
Woo!
Well, you didn't have a PFP.
I know.
I think you did the best.